Find it quickly. Find it quickly. इसे जल्दी पैदा करो, जल्दी तलाश करो. It is too much. It is too much. ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. It is a lot of. How about you? How about you? तुम कैसे हो? Finish it now. Finish it now. इसे अभी ख़त्म करो, ये अभी ख़त्म करो. Do I look old? Do I look old? क्या मैं बूढ़ा लग रहा हूँ? Let's stop here. Let's stop here. चलो यहाँ रुकते हैं, स्टॉप करते हैं. Forget me forever. Forget me forever. मुझे हमेशा के लिए भूल जाओ. He is busy now. He is busy now. वो अब मसरूफ़ है. This knife is very sharp. This knife is very sharp. ये चाकू बहुत तेज़ है. I am very confident. I am very confident. मैं बहुत पुरइत्माद हूँ. I guessed it. I guessed it. मैंने अंदाज़ा लगाया, कियास किया. I woke up very early. I woke up very early. मैं बहुत जल्दी जाग गया. You're very lucky. You're very lucky. तुम बहुत खुशकिस्मत हो. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. मैं तुम्हें सराहता हूँ. I'm really busy today. I'm really busy today. मैं आज वाकई मसरूफ़ हूँ. I'm still very tired. I'm still very tired. मैं अब भी बहुत थका हूँ. You look so pretty. You look so pretty. तुम बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हो. You can swim very fast. You can swim very fast. तुम बहुत तेज़ तैरते हो या तैर सकते हो. He is so kind to me. वो मुझ पर बहुत मेहरबान है. He is so kind to me. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. मुझे तुम पर फ़ख्र है. You look sick. You look sick. आप बीमार लग रहे हैं. तुम बीमार लग रहे हो. I became very sick. I became very sick. मैं बहुत बीमार हो गया. I have to do it. I have to do it. मुझे ये करना है. Have to बोला जाता है. How did you know that? How did you know that? आपको ये कैसे मालूम हुआ? आपको कैसे पता चला? I am trying to help you. I am trying to help you. मैं आपसे मदद करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Don't go out of this house. Don't go out of the house. घर से बाहर मत निकलो. Try again tomorrow. Try again tomorrow. कल दोबारा कोशिश करें. Can I keep it here? Can I keep it here? क्या मैं इसे यहाँ रख सकता हूँ? Let me look. Let me look. मुझे देखने दो. I will never do it again. I will never do it again. ये दोबारा कभी नहीं करूँगा. I am still unmarried. I am still unmarried. मैं अभी तक गैर शादीशुदा हूँ. Keep silence please. Keep silence please. प्लीज़ खामोश रहें. I never lie to you. I never lie to you. मैं तुमसे कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता. I will be with you forever. I will be with you forever. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ रहूँगा. It looks like nothing happened. It looks like nothing happened. ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ नहीं हुआ. I don't recognize him. I don't recognize him. मैं इसे नहीं पहचानता. To a certain extent. To a certain extent. एक मखसूस हद तक. She looks very upset. She looks very upset. वो बहुत परेशान लग रही है. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. अपने आप का ख्याल रखें. I shall accompany you. I shall accompany you. मैं तुम्हारे साथ जाऊँगा. He was standing beside me. He was standing beside me. वो मेरे साथ खड़ा था. Tell me your address. Tell me your address. मुझे अपना पता बताओ. This video is admirable. This video is admirable. ये वीडियो काबिल तारीफ है. You should be alert. You should be alert. तुम्हें चौकस रहना चाहिए, बेदार रहना चाहिए. Ahmad will get Ali to write a letter. अहमद अली से खत लिखवाएगा. Ahmad will get Ali to write a letter. Ali had a doctor treat him. Ali had a doctor treat him. Ali ने डॉक्टर से इलाज करवाया. सलमान is only fond of eating. सलमान सिर्फ खाने का शौकीन है. सलमान is only fond of eating. काशिफ is having his hair cut. काशिफ is having his hair cut. काशिफ अपने बाल कटवा रहा है. Umar is not letting me teach. Umar is not letting me teach. उमर मुझे पढ़ाने नहीं दे रहा है. The bread is often burnt by Sadia. सादिया से अक्सर रोटी जल जाती है. The bread is often burnt by Sadia. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. They both like each other. They both like each other. वो दोनों एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं. Did you get my point? Did you get my point? क्या तुम मेरी बात समझ गए हो? He is still not well. He is still not well. वो अभी ठीक नहीं है. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. मेरी नज़र से दूर हो जाओ. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? आप किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हो? Get ready to go. Get ready to go. जाने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो प्लीज़ लाइक. शुक्रिया.